This small USB-C hub is great, especially for my computer that is only equipped with one USB port. It's incredibly small and it's a three-in-one design. And I love that you just plug it right into the C charger and then it now becomes a hub for USB, another C charger, and there are the two other sides as well. This adapter is 60 watt max and it's great for laptops and for real-time streaming, anything like that. It's compatible with MacBook Pro as well as other PCs like my computer. The feature I appreciated most about this is because it has this little carrying case. I can keep all the accessories that come with this together and they can stay in this case and it doesn't get lost in my bag. It just slipped right into the USB port, no problem. And then I was able to add in my USB drive and bam, I now have another USB port using the C charge port.